guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a little mini Dollar Tree haul to show you guys. So if you guys want to see what I got, keep on watching. For today's video, like I said, we're gonna be doing a little mini Dollar Tree haul. So if you guys have not seen the other video, I think the last video I did was the giveaway the giveaway winner video. Actually I don't know, because I have not been uploading lately. I've been super busy trying to figure things out. I have too much going on, and I have so many things happening new in my life that I can't wait to share with you guys. But before I get into everything, I don't know if I should share it with you this video. I might have to tell you later on, but let me get to something really important. So I did reach out to all the winners, because a lot of them I guess didn't see the video or they didn't have time. I understand people are busy, so it's okay guys if you guys didn't see it right away. But I am missing one person from the Dollar Tree video. I don't think they have sent me or did they? I'm not sure, but if they did by the time I saw this video, sorry. But if not, I'm still waiting on Aaron Crafty Puerto Rican. You are one of the winners that didn't contact me for the Dollar Tree giveaway, so I'm still waiting on you, girl. So congratulations if you see this video. Please go ahead. I will leave my email and my IG name, my IG @ name in the description box down below. So you can reach me there and send me your address so I can send you your prize. I have not sent any of them. I wanted to send them all at the same time so I could save time, but I might just have to, if she doesn't send me, if Erin doesn't send me hers today, then I'll just send everybody else's tomorrow or something like that. Well, actually tomorrow, I've been so busy, you guys. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday, a couple things to do tomorrow. If anything, I will have to wait till Monday, but I do send it through the post office, so I'm trying to get these out to you guys. So sorry for the wait, but this is why I have a lot of things going on in my life, which can't wait to share you with you guys, because I'm trying to rearrange my life a little bit so I can kind of tone it down, and I can have more time for YouTube. This is my big like more like my main focus, so I really want to build this. So there's a lot of things that I'm going to be changing in my life. Can't wait to tell you guys what I have going on. But as of now, yeah, you guys, so congratulations again to the Dollar Tree winners. So like I said, we're still waiting on Aaron Crafty Puerto Rican, and if you already send me a message, just disregard this whole thing then. But yeah, and then I think I'm missing one more person. I'm not really sure. Am I? No, I think she sent, I think Twila Beginner Acrylic Nails already sent me her email. If you didn't already by this video, sorry, just disregard it if you already have. I think she already has, I think. Just making sure though, Twila Beginner Acrylic Nails. But yeah guys, I want to get out of the way. Also, the reason I think I was a little scared that everybody wasn't able to reach me was because my slow self. I literally had the wrong email address in my description box for at least a month and a half, you guys. Why? I don't know. I think I need some glasses or something, because when I would edit videos, when you edit on YouTube, there's a little option when you're uploading the video and your little default on YouTube, and I had a default where the address was the same. So every time I would just, do a video, I would upload that same default description box with all the information you guys ask for sometimes. The Amazon affiliate links, or my Julia jewelry, or my Madam Glam, or my Born Pretty coupon codes, all that stuff. So I always would upload it, it saves time. So my email address was wrong for probably a month and a half. So companies probably try to reach me, people try to probably reach me. I realized because one of my giveaway winners said that they emailed me their address and they didn't get a response, so they double checked and they were like, I think her email was wrong. So then she told me, so thank you so much, girl. I don't remember who it was, but it was one of my Dollar Tree winners, or one of my acrylic nail giveaway winners, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, I'm rambling. It's already 7 minutes in this video. But sorry guys, I thought it was really important to tell you guys that. I just wanted to make sure that everybody gets their giveaway prizes. I want to make sure that I'm reaching out to the people that still haven't reached back out so I can make sure they get their stuff. And I just want to let you guys know that I am still going to be sending it soon. And I also wanted to tell you guys that I have a lot going on, but not in a bad way, in a good way, that I'm changing up my little lifestyle. My son's going back to school. I'm going to need extra time, you know, for homeschooling and stuff. He's gonna still be doing virtual schooling. On top of that, I just feel like I need to be with my kids a little bit more and focus on the aspects of my career that I really want to focus on, like YouTube. That's one of them. There's other things, but yeah, there's a lot I will be showing you guys in the future. And like literally this month, you guys are gonna learn a lot of new things coming from me. Also, if you guys like this shirt, I'll leave the link from the company in the description box down below as well. They have really cute stuff, and I think I forgot what their name is. Well, I'll leave everything in the description box, guys. It's really cute. So actually, let me show you what it looks like. It's very comfortable. It is just like one of these little tight up shirts, and you tie it up right here, and it's very flowy. The material feels very comfortable, and I like it. It's just very comfortable. I like stuff like this because I'm in Florida and it's so hot and like humid that when I'm like wearing this, I just feel free. And I'm like, oh, I feel like when you're at the beach and you have like the most comfortable clothes over your bathing suit. That's how I feel. Okay, let me get into this video. So just so you guys know, I will probably edit somewhere in the beginning of the video. You guys just want to see the Dollar Tree part of it, so that way you can zoom to this part you can like forward to this part right here. So let's get started with the giveaway. Finally. Okay, let's get started. So guess what I found? I finally found another one of these things. This is a small, can I just like get started with the giveaway? Get started with the, oh my gosh, I'm so out of it. You guys, every time I don't upload, I just get out of it and I don't remember how to properly talk, I guess. Okay, so this is the first thing from the haul. This is a little organizer case range out. It looks like this, so you open it like that, and this is very cute. Did I buy something like this? I bought something like this, I think a while ago, but it wasn't this one. There's like a different one. Oh, the other one. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this one is actually, I found this one in the car department, which I still like it no matter what. The sticker's kind of ugly, but besides that, I could take that off probably. But I use like, I feel like little knickknacks and stuff. I can't see, but like angel foil and stuff. So I thought that, just leave it back here. I just thought that this would be another one of those things that you could use for storage, you could use for nail art, you could use to store whatever you need to in there. So that was the first thing. Then we got some glasses. These are cute. These are like the breast cancer awareness. These are from the Dollar Tree, you guys. I can't believe it. I really like these because I always buy my boyfriend the ones from there because he be losing his glasses all the time, his sunglasses, and I'm like, what's the point of spending money? You can't take care of anything. So, and he loves them. He didn't even know they were from Dollar Tree. I was like, do you like them? He was like, yeah, these are really nice. Because he had bought this, I swear they were the same ones on Amazon. And he was like, he loved the ones that he bought on Amazon. I ordered them for them, but they were more. I forgot how much they were. They were probably like 2 for like 15 bucks. And I got him 2 of them that were in black for $1 from Dollar Tree, and he didn't know the difference. And he was like, oh, he thought I probably ordered more. Or I think he thought like, I don't know what he thought. He thought I spent more money, but oh, my throat is dry. It's raining out, but anyway, getting distracted. So he thought I probably paid more money for them, and I didn't. These are it, but he got them in black. Not nail related, but still. I really want to do a nail related Dollar Tree video because I just love the Dollar Tree. But look at these. They're so cute. I'll just leave them up there. $1, you guys. Tell me that's not cute. Guess what I found? So guess who I saw have these? I saw Natalie Carmona have these. I think she used to sell them on her website too. I think, I'm not sure, don't quote me. It's right. It's thundering. She would put her crystals in here. Very cute. $1, you guys. But I think she did. She said that she liked these because they like close really well. I think she said that when she would drop the box, the crystals wouldn't go everywhere. It's really tightly sealed. I got some more of these little containers. I'm not gonna be using these for my nail stuff. This is actually for something else. I wanna make my own like, I guess like natural shea butters and stuff. So like, I'm gonna be using these and seeing if they work really well. Oh, and here goes these glasses. I don't know where the, oh, I probably ripped them off, but okay, my daughter got them all dirty already. Just clean them. Put hand sanitizer because I don't know where I put my alcohol. But anyway, I got these for her. Just cleaning them a little because she was eating a snack while she was wearing them, of course. She loves sunglasses. She'll wear mine and my boyfriend's all the time. But they look like this. I thought that was cute because look, they match. So they're for little kids, $1, you guys. Why not? Oh, so me and my mom bought this Cricut little mini machine. I think it's called the Cricut Joy. And this was in the, I actually had already bought this for nails, like, because I heard like you can use it to carve out like little shapes and designs. But we bought the little Cricut machine and we ended up using the what is it called? The knife set. It's like a little, it says scrape tilty knife set, and it helps us take out the decals very easily. So I was so glad I had it in hand. And I bought an extra one because we both are probably gonna be using them. I got two more things, you guys. I got my daughter, oh, I squished it, some JoJo Siwa Band-Aids. Tell me that's not cute. Recently, my daughter went outside with my mom and my daughter fell on the floor on her knees. She scraped her knees for the first time in her life. And yeah, she's healing very well, but I got these because I thought they were cute and it would make her happy, but she just cries when I put them on. But she still needs to wear Band-Aids, or 2 Band-Aids, so either way she got to put them on and she'll be all right. She's been okay with them. These are very cute, even I've used them, so I just re-upped on them. And I got one more thing. So the last thing I got is this nipper. You guys know these nippers don't work really well for actually nipping cuticle, but they work amazing, like super amazing for taking off stones. Like this is the best stone remover that I've ever had, honestly, and it's $1. And if it breaks, it's okay because it was only $1. But that's it, you guys. I actually wanted to also share with you guys, I wanted to show you guys my necklace. This is actually, I'm not going to show you too much, but because I want to show you in the video. My next video is going to be about this necklace. I couldn't wait. I put it on. It's beautiful. Just so you guys know, my next video is a giveaway because one of you guys are going to win a customized necklace from the company JEULIA Jewelry. They are going to be collaborating with me so that one of you guys can win one of these beautiful necklaces. So look how pretty it is, just so you guys know. And it has my birthstone on it. Probably can't see it that well, but you guys get the point. But that is all, you guys. Please stay tuned for the next video. Sorry I'm being annoying doing this, but anyway, oh my gosh, it feels so soothing right now that it's raining. But I'm gonna go paint this. And just so you guys know, like I said, please stay tuned for the next video because it is going to most likely be the rules. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when I take it out of the package. You guys are gonna love it. Whoever wins this, lucky you, because I love that company. I am actually wearing their ring. Their ring is beautiful, and I'm wearing their bracelet. Yeah, I know, I don't know why I'm wearing gold with silver, but I just like it. I might have to get something else, gold or silver necklace, I don't know, so I could actually match. I have my grandmother's gold ring though, that matches the necklaces. I just kind of paired it with this, the one that my boyfriend bought me. But it is, this one's sterling silver, the one that they sent me. My boyfriend's is gold, but these don't fade. I always wear this all day, every day. I clean with bleach and stuff like that. It's all good. So thank you guys. Please stay tuned for the next video. I want somebody to win, so you guys know the rules and everything like that. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my little mini haul and my little announcements I had to kind of tell you guys. So like I said, one last thing. If Aaron Crafty Puerto Rican is watching, please send me your address. And if you already did, just disregard what I said. Love you guys. Take care. And until next time. Bye-bye. God bless.